Yo, the casual hello in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a simple yet interesting English phrase, yo. Have you ever heard someone greet you with it? Let's understand what it means and how it's used. Yo is a colloquial and informal way of saying hello or hi in English. It has its origins in African American Vernacular English, AAVE, and was popularized in American urban culture. Over time, it has made its way into mainstream English, especially among younger generations. Using yo is quite straightforward. Here are some common usages. 1. Greeting a friend. Yo, Mike. How have you been? 2. Getting someone's attention. Yo, watch out. 3. Expressing agreement. Yo, that's true. It's important to note that yo is informal. It's best used among friends or in casual settings, and might not be appropriate in formal situations or with strangers. Yo is more than just a greeting. It has had a cultural impact, especially in the world of music, movies, and television. From hip-hop artists to characters in popular TV shows, many have used yo as a way of portraying coolness, casualness, or even a sense of camaraderie. While yo is a fun and casual way to greet, it's not the only one out there. Phrases like hey, hi, and hello serve the same purpose. The difference is mainly in the level of formality and the setting in which they are used. Remember, context is key. And that's a wrap on yo. It's a cool, casual way to greet someone in English. Next time you meet a close friend, give it a try. We hope this video has been helpful, and keep learning. Until next time,